Now I feel like, wow.
I love it.
I'm in sales, and we get one chance to make a first impression with our clients.
I'm a registered nurse. I always smile.
I dealt with the public quite a bit, and in dealing with the public, you have to have a nice appearance.
They say when you look good, you feel good, and I know that's absolutely true.
I smile more, I'm more confident, I take more photos.
I got so many compliments in my smile. I see my pictures and I just love them.
It helps my business. I'm doing the Zoom meeting. When I'm on live, people always compliment how a good smile that I have.
I've had just so many people compliment me, which is for me important because I know everyone's their own worst critic.
I'm not exaggerating when I say it's like life-changing.
When I look in the mirror every morning, I see a profound difference, and it really affects how my day goes.
I love being able to have the confidence that I had before right after braces.
I don't miss my old teeth at all.
I've had comments, oh, you have a beautiful smile, or you have a beautiful teeth. And it's like, yeah? So now I smile even bigger.
We only have so many years in our life, and I've added so much joy to my life by having this. I can't even describe it, to be honest with you.